Namaste children. Grade 2 Mathematics. Look at this image. What are you seeing in this picture? Yes, you are seeing a balls. Count and say how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, is it correct? There are 3 balls. Look at this image. What they given here? Numbers. Yes. So our topic name is numbers up to 200. Look at this picture. Yeah, 3 guys are playing a marbles. So now we're going to count the number of marbles. How many they have? Shall I count first? Each box has represent 10. 1. So it is 10. 20, 30, 40, 50. Then how many separate marbles are there? 5. So 55 marbles are there. How many marbles are there? 55. So you should write 55. So the first person has 55 marbles. Let me go for a second person. Count now. 10, 20, 30, 40. Then count a separate marble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 46 marbles. So we can write 46 marbles. So the second girl has 46 marble. Then go for a third person. How many marbles they have? Count it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Plus 2, 62. So 62 marbles. How many marbles? 62 marbles. So write here as 62 marbles. So now we found how many marbles each person has. So as followed, 2 questions are there. Who has the most marble? Look at this. Who has most? 62 is the highest number. So who is that person? Ramesh. So Ramesh has most marbles. So we should write Ramesh in here. So shall we write a name here. Look at the second question. Who has the least number of marble? Who has the least? Yeah, 46 is least. Who is that? Bali. So you should write here Bali's name. So right now, it's over. Are you understand this? In our everyday life, we using a numbers. So now we go for a next one. Go for a next one. Check what you know. First question. Write the numbers and number name. Look at the first question. 6 tens and 7 ones. So what is the number? Ones place 7, tens place 6. So ones place 7, tens place 6. So the number is 67. 6, 7. 67 is the number. 67 is the number. 7 in ones place, 6 in tens place. Then we found a number. Later you can write a number name. So write a number name. 67. 67. So we find a number and number name. Similarly, you should find the other sums. 2 tens and 8 ones, so 28. 4 tens, so 4 tens alone, so 40. In here, they mention a blocks. Ones block in red color and tens block in green color. So you should count the blacks. So 2 ones blacks, so 2 ones. How many tens blacks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 tens blocks. So 72. In this last two sum, they mention a bunch of 10 sticks. So the bunches represent 1 tens. This is ones. Single sticks are ones. So you can do this. We can go for a next second question. Write the numbers before and after, then between. So it is easiest one you can easily say. So 40. What is the before number of 40? Just before. 40 before is 39. So write here as 39. Then 40 after 41. So you should write 41. So after number and before number. Yeah, before number is previous number. Yeah, after number is next number. Now let we do for a between number. What comes between 30 and 32? 30 after is 31. 32 before is 31. So we have 31 as the answer. So mention here as 31. I hope you understand this. So let me go for a next question. Third one. Compare the numbers. Circle the biggest number. So you should compare the number. Look at the first sum. 79 and 42. Which is greater? It means bigger. So you should circle a bigger number. Which is bigger? 79 is bigger. Yeah, very good. How we can find this? First we should check a ones place and tens place. Here this is 2-digit number. So you should check a tens place. This is 7 tens. Here 4 tens. So 7 10 is bigger. So 79 is bigger. So you can circle 79. As like this, you can do other sums. Then come for the fourth question. Tick the greatest number and cross out the smallest number. Look at the first one. 14, 19, 8, 79, 27. Just now I said you should compare first ones place and tens place. To finding a greatest number, we should check a tens place. Which has a more tens? 79 has a 7. That is greatest. So 79 is a greatest number. We should put tick. Then smallest number, which has ones place as very lesser. Here 4 as ones place is lesser, but only 8 is there. So 8 is a lesser. There is no tens, 0 tens. So 0 tens means we are going for only 1 8. So that is a small number. So you should cross 8 as the small number. So you should cross it. I hope you understand this. So you can do this other sum as homework. Next question, fifth one. Write in increasing order. Increasing, that means small number to big number. It's said to be ascending order. So we can write increasing order. Which is smallest one here? 12 is the smallest one. So first you should write 12. First you should write a 12. Then next smallest number is 18. So you should write 18. As already I said to you, how you should compare the number by seeing a tens place. If say tens place is equal, go and check ones place. So what is the next smallest number? 12, 18, then we have 51 and 53. So which is smaller? 51. So you should write 51. And finally, what's remaining? 53. So write 53. So first one we completed in ascending order. It means increasing order. Small number to big number. Second sum you can do it yourself. So sixth question. Write in decreasing order. That means descending order. Decreasing. It means greater value to lower value. So big number to small number. Check this, which is biggest number here? Which 10 is very bigger? 7 is bigger. So 78 is bigger number. So first we should write 78. So write 78 as first biggest number. Then next biggest number? Yes, 64. It's a 64. Next biggest number is 64. Then next biggest number is 56. So write 56. And finally what we have? 8. So write 8. That's all. So now you know to write an increasing order and decreasing order. Increasing order can write a small number to big number. A decreasing order is write as big number to small number. Thank you, children.